Okay, ready to go. Like a lot of people, I'm very passionate about the place that I'm from. I grew up just outside of Pittsburgh, which at the time was part of the industrial heart of North America. Seeing this is really what put me on a path toward wanting to help influence the ways in which our economy can work in harmony with our society and the environment. My name is Dennis Wilson, and I'm the Vice President of Environment Social Governance and Managing Director for Circular Economy Solutions at Saint-Gobain, North America. We live on a resource-constrained planet. For several hundred years, society has produced and perfected what is known as a linear economy, delivering products to an end consumer and eventually to a landfill at the end of their initial life. With 37% of CO2 emissions coming from the built environment, we really need to break away from that linear model of discarded waste to landfill and instead move towards circularity of resources. A circular economy is one where resources, such as virgin raw materials, are not just thrown away or recycled after they're used, but instead, they're initially designed so that the product can be reused in a way that's as good, if not better, than other virgin raw materials. Where we stand now, the global economy is about 7% circular. That's a regression from 9% in 2018. A vital piece of increasing our circularity, yet to be perfected, is the adoption of reverse supply chains. This is where we return resources to remanufacture and or reuse. Using circularity and recycled materials generally helps a manufacturer reduce their Scope 3 emissions, and sometimes even Scope 1 and 2 emissions. When used in conjunction with other measures like renewable energy, streamlined processes, a manufacturer can see a major reduction in emissions as well as less reliance on virgin raw materials. As a manufacturer, we must develop products that can be easily deconstructed in a way that allows reuse or harvesting of raw materials. This means working closely with our R&D processes to design products that have an easier time being reused after their end phase use. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, creating a circular economy for 5 sectors, cement, aluminum, steel, plastics, and food, could cut CO2 emissions by 3.7 billion tons by 2050. That's the equivalent of eliminating current emissions from all forms of transportation. While achieving a circular economy won't happen overnight, we must make a conscious effort to combat this centuries-old linear approach and optimize reverse supply chains. To create a circular system, we at Saint-Gobain must actively fight against this history and challenge the systems we're so familiar with.